Well, this is the 8 3/4 rear differential that I had in storage, and these are some of the numbers that are on it. On this side over here, it has a what I think is a brake code of 350, and I counted the teeth on the ring and on the pinion. I got 47 on the ring and 17 on the pinion, so that comes out to 273, 276. And there's my spline on those axles. Counted 30, so this is what I got. And the one in the car could be the same. It's just a V8 2-barrel 318. So maybe this one can be made a little bit better with some old parts. Change them out. Thanks for watching.